Today is my last day here in Kutaisi, and I've been here for 3 weeks. I'm not gonna lie. I have been very lazy. I would say lazy as in like a lazy traveler, but productive. I've been very productive. I've been working and writing and filming and all those things. So today I want to show you my absolute favorite thing about being here and living in Kutaisi for these past 3 weeks. Okay, there's like a couple of things that I really like, but my one favorite thing that I do every single day is go to the local market. It is called the Green Bazaar, but it has like everything, and I need some tape and I need breakfast, or I should say lunch, because it's kind of late. It's really windy, so you probably can't hear me, but hopefully you can, because it is fall. Fall has finally arrived, and last time I was in the market, the vegetables and fruits were slightly different because seasons. Georgia honors the seasons. It's something that us in the US, we take for granted that we have everything. Okay, we might have strawberries in February and they're disgusting. Here you have watermelon in watermelon season, you have berries in berry season, and everything is so delicious. And I think one of my commenters told me that Georgia supplies a lot of the produce for other parts of the world that is near here, which makes sense because everything grows. It's amazing. The climate, the country, it's just crazy. So let's go wander. The persimmons are starting to get orange and ripe. This?
One love.
So I had to buy tape, so it was one lottery for that tape, which I needed. And this is my favorite place, the market. No. Chai? Argate. No. I have. Okay. No, I have. I like. Okay.
Kari.
No. No. Curcumin.
Saffron.
Saffron? Oh.
Saffron, cardamom.
Ah, okay.
Cardamom.
Okay, saffron.
Nici știi bereți.
No.
Iki despre plic.
Chai? Is chai?
Chai. Chai.
Okay. This? Oh. It's just chai?
Dish 여기도. Эти чами девочки? Так камень. Хорошие девочки. Так, арики дозе.
It's okay?
Chai, vino,
I know.
cha, konyaki.
No. Good.
Şuşkel ardında.
No. No.
Kuntuki, egi arehi.
I know. It's okay. How much?
Aragak sunka. Momidan.
Okay, so I didn't really need to buy that, but hopefully it goes on the plane because I wanted to get some nutmeg and some turmeric because I've been following this like Ayurvedic diet and here everything is so fresh. I think, I don't know, but this is the best place and you can buy everything. I would buy so much stuff if I didn't have a backpack to go home and I have one more stop on my trip, but okay, my other favorite thing to buy here is something to eat. is my absolute favorite place to go here, because mainly when you're staying here and living somewhere, to find like a local market is like, for me, is like the best thing ever. So I bought a few things that I'm hopefully gonna be able to take home with me, like spices, because I don't know, I just love buying local spices. So I bought some like Savaneti salt, which is like famous for the Savaneti region. It's just like flavored salt, but it's so good. I put it on everything, and I got some saffron because it's really expensive in the US. And then I got some tea. It looks like maybe chamomile or something, but it's just like flowers. So I gave up coffee recently. This is no caffeine, so I got that. And then some nuts, nutmeg, because I want to like put nutmeg in this new recipe that I have found. And turmeric, because yesterday I dumped all my turmeric out on the floor, so I have none left, so I got turmeric. It is really orange. I don't know if it's supposed to be that orange, but anyways, I don't know. And I got tape to tape everything together because I spill everything. And then I got some normal stuff, a zucchini, and some nectarines because I'm obsessed with their nectarines here. They're so freaking good. And then, okay, this is my I've recently quit coffee and sugar. It's been like a week, so I'm doing good, but the guy I know I buy these every day, and they're $3 lari each, and he overcharged me, but whatever. But these things, okay, the first time I had them, I thought, oh my god, this is disgusting, and now I'm totally obsessed with them. Basically, this one has dried fruit, I think dates and walnuts, and then they're covered, they look like they're covered with something. They're covered in like juice, basically like I read online that it's like the juice of the grapes, but there's not any added sugar. It's just pure juice, and then they dip them, and then they hang them, and you buy them. And this is so on too. But if you're quitting, I mean, I know you're probably like, Sarah, but dried fruit has lots of sugar. Well, it's natural sugar. It's not processed white sugar, so it's fine. And then I bought one of my favorite things to eat, which I need to warm it up, is a kubdari, which is like bread. It's like a pizza bread. Basically inside is like sausage and cheese, and it's freaking delicious, but it's cold, so I need to warm it up. And I'm gonna cook some lunch. Anyways, yeah, so that is like one of my favorite things that I'm gonna miss about being here in Kutaisi, because I think there's one in Tbilisi also, but this one's just small and little, and as you see, it's, I don't know, everyone's super friendly. Everyone's a lot friendlier here in Kutaisi than other parts of Georgia. Sorry. So hopefully you enjoyed this little walk around Kutaisi / my last day here / the market, my favorite place. See y'all next video. Bye.